I'm Nick, and welcome to my shop. Today, it's going to be a simple day where I finish a bowl. But not just any bowl, one that hopefully will glow underneath blacklight. It's to the wall of wood. Here we go, Black Locust bowl. Got my Black Locust bowl blank here. This one is about 12 inches in diameter. I got it, roughed it out in November of 2020. And it's been kicking around in my shop ever since, and I've been dying to finish this. So the one thing about Black Locust is it does react in blacklight, which is pretty cool. Not many woods do that. And I am really hoping this one does something cool. So, got my bowl blank, got a blacklight. Let's finish this thing and see what it looks like. So I've never really worked with Black Locust before, so I really don't know what to expect. Before even turning the bowl, it's not really glowing at all. And this is the blacklight for comparison. Here's the earmuffs that I use that are just neon green. So, don't know what to expect out of all of this. Before I start any project, I always make sure my tools are sharp. And it's always helpful to have a clean mask. Now that I have sharp tools and a clean mask, let's cue the music and finish this bowl. That loud sound was a tool dropping on the floor. Remember how I said I like to start with sharp tools? Well, this one is now dull. Locust is a very open grain wood, so I'm going to try something different with this bowl. I'm going to use a sanding sealer to see if I can get a better surface. The bowl is all done. Let's get a finish on this thing and see how it looks. Ooh, that is some good figure in there. So the question on everyone's mind is, will it glow? The answer is no. It does not really glow at all. That's a bummer. So I dug around the wood that I had finished, and the one thing that jumped out to me was the popcorn bowl I made a few weeks ago. This is maple, and this little mark here is ambrosia. With BlackLight, it has like a cool outline in yellow. So, did find something. Let me get a closer shot for you. The other thing I found that glows is my coffee table. It's made out of mango wood, which is just a typical wood used in furniture making in Asia. And you can see it has the bright green like glow in certain parts. So that turned out really cool. And you can see it side by side with the bowl. There's just no glow in that Black Locust bowl. I'm pretty happy with how this bowl turned out, even though it doesn't glow in the dark. But, you know, wood is a natural product, and things are going to vary from bowl to bowl, species to species, wood to wood. This one just doesn't have whatever it takes to glow in the dark or glow in BlackLight, but it's still really cool. Anyway, as for this video, thanks for watching and have fun.